Trying to remove this strut nut. It is stuck. I tried an impact on it initially, loosened it a little bit, then it just spun. I tried a screwdriver and a couple things. On the top, it's gouging up the nut, and if you look really closely, you can kind of see that the top of the strut is deforming, and or maybe the nut is, and pinching it even more. So what we're going to try is going under here to the strut dust cover. I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to grab the strut shaft with a pair of vice grips and try to hold it while I hit it with the impact. Okay, razor knife cuts right through that like nothing. Okay, razor knife cut off some of the plastic dust cover. There are brake lines in the area, so obviously be careful. With the razor knife, I should also mention I am replacing these struts, so I don't care about these. I'm going to try to get a vice grip on here, clamp it down really tight, and see if I can impact the top. See what happens. Okay, vice grip clamped on. Gonna hit the top of the impact. 21 millimeter. I need 2 hands, so I gotta pause it. That came right off. Very easy, easier than I thought it was gonna be. So I'm glad I did that. There were some other videos of guys cutting nuts and stuff. I don't know. That was a 5-minute fix. Pretty happy with it.